Hello friends, welcome to the Houseplantslove. Today video I will show you the very good grow light for your house plants. If you have the small plant or you have the big plants, I show you the very good grow light which I received from the brand SANSI. SANSI is a very good brand for the grow lights and they have the multiple variety option of the grow light. I choose this one. This grow light have the timer, the 3 head. I will receive this one. This one is the 30-watt adjustable 3 head clip on LED grow light with timer. So I give you the full review about this. I show the demonstration, how to use it, how to set up it for your plants and everything. So just first we open this. This is the head, which and there is a very nice clip which you can fix anywhere near to your plants. This is the head, so you can adjust these head as per the requirement and the height and everything. This box they sent us the very beautiful bulbs which we use in our grow light. So I highly recommend this. Now I will show you how to use this, how to do the setup. Yeah, so you can see I set up my grow lights for my plants, and you can see here it is the 3 head grow light. So I set all his 3 head different directions, so they cover my all the plants. And if you can see, there is a timer system in this grow light, the 4 hour, 8 hour and 12 hour. So you can press the button and select the timer for the according to your need. And see, it's very well going and my all the plants are very happy. If you want to buy this grow light or you want to buy any grow light, so you can click the link below, and after that add the code Ankita32, so you can get the extra 30% off. If you enjoy the information about the grow light, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel for further more informational video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.